Outlook brings to you excerpts from its latest issue titled Farewell Ideology. India's tryst with ideology has been more complex than the West's. We have caste and region, language, and socialism. All these are forces in their own right. In different times and in different contexts within our country, one has trumped the other. Outlook's latest issue looks at some of the regional and national political parties and the shifts in their ideological stance as they strive to navigate political power, coalition politics, and opportunism. It is a reminder for us and for them about what they stood for once, lest we forget. Sena versus Sena by Shweta Desai from Outlook. Amid the battle between Sena factions headed by Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and Uddhav Bal Thackeray, will the real Shiv Sena stand up, please? Dark clouds enveloped Mumbai in the last week of June 2022, but the rains did not seem to be in a hurry that year. Who was in a political hurry indeed around the time was 58-year-old Eknath Shinde, a top Shiv Sena leader and an urban affairs minister in the state's Maha Vikas Aghadi (MVA) government. Shinde broke the backs of the MVA and the Shiv Sena to join hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party to install a new government in Maharashtra with the help of 40 Sena rebels. Amid the turmoil on the ground in the western Indian state, the heavens finally opened up. On the evening of June 29, as heavy rains lashed across the city, a calm and smiling Uddhav appeared live on Facebook to put the political uncertainty in Maharashtra in perspective. Democracy must be upheld. We will do it, so must all. Let them enjoy the deed of pulling down Sena Supremo's son from the post of CM, Uddhav said after rendering his resignation. Thackeray's composure was acknowledged widely across the internet, with several posts expressing sadness at his departure from the government's helm. The overwhelming support of Bollywood celebrities, socialites, social activists, writers, and even astute political observers in Maharashtra for Uddhav was unusual, especially coming from the liberal quarter, whose proponents once had to face the aggressive wrath of the Sena under its original patriarch, the late Bal Thackeray. Thackeray was Uddhav's father, but he was also a picture in contrast. For this and more, read the latest issue of Outlook.